Be it Dashehra or Diwali or Pongal or Durga Puja, marigold flowers are everywhere. Marigold flowers are one of the most popular flowers used in all rituals, weddings, stage decoration and rangoli designs. There are plants and flowers in our gardens and kitchen gardens that can give fantastic results when used in proper way. But most of us don't know their medicinal benefits. Marigold flower treat conditions such as rashes, allergies, eczema and dermatitis. Pain, swelling and redness caused by muscles cramps, muscular injuries or sprains. Eye inflammation and itchiness caused by conjunctivitis. And fungal infections including athlete's foot, candida, ear infections and ringworm. One of such most common elements which affects one and all is cough and cold. If you are suffering from cough and cold frequently, due to communicable infection or weather change, and fed up of taking antibiotics frequently, then watch this video till the end. Soak marigold flower petals in 6 glasses of water overnight and next day drink this water. Or make a green tea with marigold petals and drink it hot whenever feeling cough. Do this frequently for 2 to 3 days till you start feeling better. This remedy is very effective and you don't need to take medicines for cold and cough ever again. Try this out and do let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video till the end and do not forget to share this video.